Hey boss, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do another new hairstyle as usual, right? And in today's video the style we are going to do is called halo braid, something you can also call a crown. So but in this video I did this style on my own way, right? You don't need to do as I did. You can also do it easily. You can even look for how you can do it by yourself on YouTube here. You can do it. It is very easy. Anyone can achieve this. And as you can see on the video, I use a full bundle of hair expression without cutting anything from it. So, and why did I say I did it on my own way? So I was leaving some small hair extension aside when braiding. So I was braiding and leaving small, because I wanted to achieve something similar as a crown. And so yeah, that's how I went through to achieve my hair. And yeah, but for the meantime, if today is your first time coming across this channel, please, after watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you are my old returning subscriber, thank you for your support, guys. So I will let you enjoy the video for now, and if there is something I have to give an explanation or to summarize to you, I will let you know. Thank you for always being here and enjoy the video. To do some small braid. I was braiding according to the size I want, and if you want it short, you can do it short. If you want it longer, you can do it longer. So what I did is I was braiding, and when I reached the size that I want, I take the other hair extension and put the what I braided already. I put them together and then braid the next one, and I was doing it one after the other. So I would not like to put too much gel on my hair. So using that comb will make my job very easier. Without using the comb, I have the very hard texture type, and my hair is too hard so to comb. I always feel pain when combing my hair texture, so I wouldn't like to do the procedure of putting gel, dividing my hair into 2 or 3, putting gel and then holding. I always have some itches, so I prefer to use my comb, make my hair very easier for me to comb, slick, sit down, and then put the gel on top. So that's the reason. Time doing that when recording, because the small braids are a little bit I can say they are like more than 10, so fixing accessory in each of one of them will have taken too much of your times. So I'm fixing now, and they are the braids that will be going. As you can see, the hairstyle, they will be only showing inside just like a crown, and behind you will be you can just fix it. You don't make a pony, you scroll it from the other side down, and then you bring it back up, and you try to fix it with some pins, so that extra security so you wouldn't lose your braid somewhere. But it is already fixed with the hairband behind, but just to have the extra security, you have to do with some pins later.